Cadet Station Pensuplak, we choose the topic about the allotment from Marino PH because it is a timely and relevant issue that affects the welfare of seafarers' families, ensuring they receive regular financial support while the seafarer is at sea.
So, good morning everyone. So, I am Engine Cadet Suhane. So, I came across from a recent post from Marino.ph. So, in that says that seafarers can legally choose anyone as their allotee, not necessarily their wife and parents. So, while that allow under maritime law, this raises a serious ethical concern. Imagine being a spouse left at home, caring for a children and paying bills, yet not receiving any of the seafarer's salary. Even it is legal, it is really right. This is where law and ethical do not always agree.
Disadvantage to wife. I am Engine Cadet Junard Alabon, and we seafarers are often the ones handling that home. The kids are and the stress while their husbands are at the sea. When allotment is given someone else, it feels like betrayal. The wife may be left beginning for money when someone else who is not carrying burden is receiving. The support this is caused emotional pain and distrust and even separation. That's why this practice, although legal, is often unethical and damage of family.
Hi, I'm Christian. Some seafarers may think it's their right to choose anyone. And yes, legally it is, but they often don't realize that long-term effects, broken family, broken relationship, and children who feel neglected. It is not just about money, but it's about respect, responsible, and trust. So